What's up, guys? Welcome to Black Diamond Beauty. Don't mind my hair. This is gonna be like a review slash, I don't know, can't say haul because it's not a lot, but I bought a new blow dryer. Of course, once again, I'm late. Excuse me, my face. It's sweaty. It's hot in here. I just finished doing the back. I'll show you in a minute. But anyway, I'm late to YouTube as usual and scrolled up on a blow dryer brush that's good for naturals, and this is it. And it's a blow dryer and it's a brush. The heat comes out here. It doesn't come out everywhere. It comes out here at the top. It's by Revlon. I got it from Amazon. I think it was either $39.99 or $29.99. One of the two. Can't remember. But I already actually have some footage of myself doing this review. That's why I don't have the box. I kind of opened it, but I kind of lost some of the footage. I don't know how. But so I had to basically shoot it over. And what else about it? I mean, I really like it. I mean, it's kind of bulky, but my hands are big, so it's cool. I think this part, it has a cool, low, and high setting here, and I'm sure the more I use it, that's gonna rub off, but since it's mine, I know how to use it. I don't know which setting it is, but I don't know. Some people might have a problem with that. I don't care. What else? Yeah, that's about it, I think. Yeah, so, basically, this is going to be like a two-part video because I have some hair, and I'll show you my hair. No, you'll see the hair in my next video if you watch it. But I'm about to do me some crochet braids, and I just wanted to kind of put a review on the blow dryer up. I just washed my hair, and if you haven't, I do have a wash routine video up. I'll link it below in the description box. But yeah, my hair's already washed and I already did my little routine, and I'm about to use this Lottie Body Sleek Me blowout lotion for heat protectant on my hair. And yeah, you'll see me doing the front of my head. Oh, I said I was gonna show you the back. Yeah, the back is already done. I done the back before I started filming, and the last time I washed my hair and stuff, I trimmed my ends and all that good stuff. So yeah, here's the back. It's already blowed out. So I mean, if you can see from the back, like how my hair is this, it went from this to that. Yeah, like with just the blow dryer. And if you're a natural, you know that blow drying, it can be a struggle, and it can take a very long time if that's something that you do. And I do feel like this blow dryer does definitely cut my blow drying time. I ain't even gonna say in half. I'll say 75%. But yeah. So I've been using mine on high, and that's because my hair is really thick and I just wanted to get done quickly, so you might see a little smoke, but so yeah. See how it just straightened out my hair that quick from its natural state? So I absolutely love this blow dryer. I'm gonna show y'all the rest, but yeah, I'll probably throw some music on right about now. So, what do I think about this blow dryer? I absolutely freaking love it. Do you see how straight my hair is? And the good thing also about it is that these little balls, they massage your scalp. And if you don't know already, massaging your scalp promotes the blood flow in your head, in your scalp, in your hair, and it promotes growth. So blow drying it with this blow dryer, it just gives you like a scalp massage also. So yeah, I love it, and I love how straight it got my hair and how quick it did it. My hair looks so shiny. I'm glad I clipped my ends. After I take this, it's like every time I put my crochet braids up, after I take my hair down, I always clip my ends. And I feel like I need to stop doing that, but it's like I can't help it because I always feel like it's damaged. So yeah, I'm sweating like a slave in this thing. That's gonna be about it for this review video. Whoop-de-woo, whoop-de-woo. And thank you guys for tuning in. And like I said, I'll leave the price and stuff where I got it from in the description box below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again very soon, because like I said, I'm about to do my hair and I'm gonna do a tutorial. So see you guys in a minute, or I don't know, can't say it a minute because I don't tell when I'm gonna upload this. But thanks for watching, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to hit that ding bell so you can keep up with all my videos when I upload them while I'm sweating like a slave. But my skin looks, yes, honey. Bye, y'all.